I wake up and wash my face. My float nine died. Jam made an ice cream cone at home. The moon ate an ice cream. The man painted the train in the rain. The dog played all day in the hay. I like to read and drink tea. Max liked to feed his three goats. Three big flies flew in the pie. Did you spy on the guy? I turned off my light, night light. Jackfruit, jackfruit, his boat in the water. Charles turned his toe in the hole. I saw blue glue on the ground. I spilled a little fruit juice on my foot. One blew on the juice to cool it off.